Be sure your gun is free of ammo. Put your 1911 against your body. Place the ultimate bushing tool, as I'm doing here, and push down. Turn the bushing wrench. Allow the spring to release its energy away from you and others. To assemble, line up the ultimate bushing tool on the plug and push it down. Turn the wrench until the barrel bushing is in the locked position and remove the tool. Check to be sure the bushing has locked the plug. Here is my Galaxy S3 on a hat brack. I made this video using my Galaxy Note 4 and the hat brack. It can't be beat for hands-free operation. Designed and made in America by Unique Dynamics Inc. See our websites for more information.